My name is Randall Irwin. My project for EE3 is a sound-activated RGB LED strip. So what it does, it takes a stereo signal from my computer and it's going to pass it through filters, narrow bandpass filters. Depending on the frequency and the intensity of the signal, it will activate a set of LEDs on an LED strip. Here's the circuit that I use for my project. So first we have the audio input coming to this point right here. The stereo signal is converted to mono at this point. The next stage is the amplifier. So it's amplifying the signal, and then that signal is getting passed through narrow bandpass filters. So I've got 4 active narrow bandpass filters here, and they will allow the signal to pass through depending on the frequency of the signal. And after it has passed through the filters, it goes through a 2.5 volt DC bias right here. So that forces the signal to oscillate about 2.5 volts because the Arduino can only read signals ranging from 0 to 5 volts. I've also got a speaker attached here, so we can just hear what's going on while the audio is played, and it's got a potentiometer to control the volume for that. Okay, and then the signal is passed through the Arduino. It's going to read each input from the filters. And depending on the intensity of the signal and which filter it went through, it's going to activate a set of LEDs on the RGB LED strip here.
Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan.